What's a fact that's real, but sounds completely fake? When baby horses are in the womb, their hooves are soft and have tentacles on them to prevent them harming the mother. They look really weird, but drop off in 30 minutes. In Madagascar, there lives a species of moth that feeds exclusively on the tears of sleeping birds. Woolly mammoths didn't completely die out until about 1,000 years after the Great Pyramids of Giza were constructed, and French explorers on expedition to the North Pole in 1872 found so many well-preserved mammoth specimens that they were able to survive by cooking and eating their meat. When you get a kidney transplant, they usually just leave your original kidneys in your body and put the third kidney in your pelvis.